Hello and welcome to another Dad Tech and RC. Today we're looking at the WL Toys 912. We've had this boat for a few years and tried a few different things with it as some of the components have died. The last setup that we had was using FT009 receiver and ESC board. That worked really well, gave it a little bit more speed. So what we've done now is we've gone brushless, and I've been quite pleased with the results, to say the least. And at the end of the video you can see the running shots of that on the water. What we've done is use a 30 amp ESC, and then we've mated that with a 2627 Outrunner, which is 3500 kV. There is a faster version of that motor, but we kind of went for a little bit of a compromise. To accommodate the 3S battery that we used a battery tray for a 18650 twin battery holder. We've just modified it slightly and put some holes in it so that we can adjust how far forward or backward that we can move it to play with the weight. And surprisingly, it ran really well. I mean, one of the other things that we're probably going to do, it needs a better prop when you run in, and we had to figure out what we were going to do with the weight distribution and stuff, as it wouldn't self-right if there was a bit of wind. So we've moved it further forwards, and it works really well. I mean, what we've done with to make the heatsink water cooled, we used the original heatsink for the motor, but we've used part of the original ESC from Wheel Toys as the cooling part, and we've used some silicone heatsink to make sure that it contacts thoroughly on that, and it seems to work really well. I was quite surprised. I was expecting to have to come up with some other idea, you know, but yeah, it doesn't get too hot, everything runs well, the ESC is more than capable. The motor's rated at 12 amp, but I'd probably say it's a little bit more, but 30 amp, I thought that would be more than sufficient. I mean, you could run smaller, but then you'd have to think about water cooling and stuff like that for the ESC. It's done really well. So stay tuned to the video. The first bit of the video is it running on 2S, which more than fun to use at that, and then the 3S at the end. So stay tuned for some more videos. Speak to you soon.